In this video, we will unpack two words you will see everywhere in Python, iterable and iterator. They sound similar, but they play different roles. Think of an iterable as a book and an iterator as a bookmark. The book holds all the pages, while the bookmark remembers exactly which page you are on. Here is the program we will trace together. We have a list of 3 fruits. We call iter on the list to get an iterator, then call next 3 times to pull out each fruit. Line 1 creates a list and binds it to the named fruits. This list is our iterable. It holds all 3 items but does not track any position yet. Line 3 calls iter on the list. Python creates a brand new iterator object and binds it to the name it. This iterator has an internal position counter starting at 0. The first call to next hands us apple and moves the iterator's position forward to 1. The iterator now remembers it has already given us the first item. Each subsequent call to next picks up exactly where the last one left off. The iterator returns banana, then cherry, advancing its position each time until the list is exhausted. Running the program prints apple, then banana, then cherry, exactly as expected. The iterator delivered each item one at a time in sequence. When you write a for loop, Python does the iter and next calls for you behind the scenes. The for statement asks the iterable for an iterator and then calls next on it each time around the loop. To summarize the difference, an iterable is the source of data, while an iterator is the stateful cursor that walks through that data one step at a time. Every time you write a for loop, Python quietly creates an iterator for you. Now you know exactly what is happening behind the scenes each time you loop over a collection.